Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to find your save game files and configuration file for Nioh 3 on PC. This is useful if you want to back up your saves, transfer them to another PC, or edit your game settings. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive, open the users folder. Now click on your username folder. Next, you'll need to open the AppData folder. If you don't see AppData, click on the View tab at the top. Select Show, and then enable Hidden Items. Once AppData is visible, open it. Inside AppData, open the local folder. Now find and open the folder called Koei-Tecmo. Open the Nioh 3 folder. Next, open Save Data. Inside, you'll see a folder with a long number. Open that folder. This is where your Nioh 3 save game files are located. Now go back to the Nioh 3 folder. Look for the file called config. This file contains your game configuration settings, such as graphics options and other preferences. And that's it. Now you know where to find both the save game files and the config file for Nioh 3 on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.